Women fall in love with you only for three reasons. My name is Jane Modo, your number one host. So today I'm going to be discussing three reasons why a certain woman would fall in love with a certain king somewhere. So majority of you have been quoting this wrong. Only when I show her that I have money, only money will make this type of a woman to love me. Today I am here to prove you wrong. In most cases, it's not all about money, though women love money also. So I'm going to talk about the three of them. And our point number one, when you show that level of protection. Some of you love us, but you don't really show that you love us. Even when you find me standing with a specific guy, you just bypass and you laugh and you greet me. How are you, Jenny? Are you okay? Something like that. When you show a level of protection to a woman, I am telling you, she will fall in love with you. It can be it in like a community, it can be it like in public. You are showing a level of protection towards her to show other people that you really care. You are concerned about this woman. But for you, even you are in public, someone tries even to step on her, someone tries even to show some kind of disrespect, but you don't say anything. You just don't say anything. You feel to whom it may concern. We women, we love a man who shows some level of protection towards us. We shall love you, and that alone, even when we didn't intend to fall in love with you, we are going to fall in love with you because we want men who can protect us. We want keepers. We don't want just people who are going to, we are going to be in love with them or get married to them and we start suffering. When you have done something wrong in the community, you fight for your life. No one is at your back to fight for you. We don't want such type of men. Our point number two, we are going to talk about genuine interest. When you show genuine interest towards her, how can you show genuine interest towards a girl? Number one, the way you talk to her. For example, you don't start asking for nothing. Are you guessing? You'll be like, I will wait for you, baby. Those are the type of men women actually want. But for you, just met me today and you're already telling me you want us to do it. I know you want me only for nothing. You don't want me for real wanting. A man who shows genuine interest that even me, I see that genuine interest. This one really loves me. This man loves me, is not actually even faking it. Such men. So when you show genuine interest towards a woman, you will win her heart. She will fall in love with you. Our next point, random words of encouragement to her. For example, Jane Modo is passing through or some situation, but you'll be like, baby, I know you will make it. Maybe I am dealing with some project, but even you have seen that, I think she might not make it, but you keep on encouraging me. But do you know that through the words you tell somebody in life, it can change them forever? Are you guys, do you know that some people don't believe in themselves? But when you tell them, baby, I believe in you, I know you are hardworking. For example, you are dating a girl who's just at campus. You tell her, baby, I know you are going to make it. I know you are going to pass. Even at the back of your mind, you know she's very stupid. She's very dull. She cannot even pass it. But you keep on encouraging her, giving her those random words of encouragement to make her keep on pushing, to make her keep on going. Those are the things us as women we actually want. This alone can make us to fall in love with you. Some of you, when you get us, you'll be like, when you overtell us words of encouragement, we are going to be thinking you want you want knocking. There's some words of encouragement which really deserves to be said. Are you guys getting the point? Are you guys getting the point? Now, our next point, we are going to be talking about if you are able to remember the little things that she says. For example, this is a bonus point. For example, today we sit on a round table, we talk. Then, for example, maybe 1 week or 2 weeks passes or pass. Then I ask you, maybe I pretend. Sometimes we pretend that we have forgotten that thing. Then I ask you, and you tell me exactly that. That is why I keep on telling the kings that do much of listening to these women. When they're talking, be like someone who don't even, like a fool. I call it, you be quiet and listen to them, because they love a man who challenges them. If you find a woman like Jane Modo, I love a man who challenges me, a man who gives me that challenge. Like you ask him and he tells you, babe, last week we talked about this and that. It will make me so proud of you. It will make me feel so beautiful and so good. So do all these things. When a woman is talking, listen and listen carefully. This alone makes this woman to fall in love with you, because you are not just someone who's just there to pass time. She talks, it gets out from the buttocks. You are not even keeping some of the things that she's telling you. Are you guys getting the point? But I tell you, baby, next last week, what did we talk about? And you're telling me. It makes me be even think that you're a very bright guy. You're a very sharp guy. Even as we don't want to produce children who are dull. So we try to test you. These are the things we try to test before we even fall in love with you. When we see you have a genuine interest, when you can remember the little things you have said, when you give us that word of encouragement, you are always there for us. We shall fall in love with you. Thank you so much for watching. May God bless you guys so much. Kindly subscribe, comment down below, share this video to your friends, your neighbors, anyone you know loves this type of content. May God bless you guys so much. I remain as Jane Modo, your number one host. Bye bye.